it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the crown for the Boosette cosplay. To make Boosette's crown, I started by using the template available on the Artawigs Canada site, and then traced around it, and we're going to cut out 2 of the crown pieces and 1 of the kind of semicircle around the bottom of it. And I'm just using a thin craft foam that I got at my local AC Moore. Now we're going to glue all of the crown pieces together. The Artawigs tutorial used contact cement for attaching the foam together, but I don't have really great ventilation system for doing this, so since the fumes can be toxic, I just used a hot glue gun. So it's not perfect, but I think it turned out okay. So what I did was I glued the trim piece to the bottom, and then since I had cut 2 of the crown pieces, when I ended up doing for the balls at the end, since I didn't have any foam clay, which is what they used, I just took a head pin and put a large pearl bead on it, and then it's sandwiched between the 2 layers of craft foam. Then we closed the crown and also added an additional piece of foam just to help keep everything together, since I didn't have the contact cement for as clean of a seam on this side. Then to paint the crown, I coated the foam in some Mod Podge to seal it before painting, painted it with some gold acrylic paint, and then coated it one more time with some glossy Mod Podge to give it a bit of shine. As you noticed, I didn't paint all the way to the bottom. That's because it's going to have the pink mushroom piece inside, so it's not going to be seen. To make the mushroom part inside of the crown, I started with a styrofoam ball and hacked it apart with a knife until it fit in the crown and was the size that I wanted. Instead of painting it, I just wrapped the styrofoam in some pink stretchy fabric. Now it's time to glue everything together. So I glued the fabric-covered styrofoam ball into the crown and also glued on some bits of white felt to make the spots on the side. I also took some of the white felt and glued it to the bottom of the crown just so we have more surface area, and then glued on a headband so that it will stay on top of the head. And with that, Boosette's crown is done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!